Hi, I'm Karen Rice and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be painting some pretty little purple flowers using lots of fun techniques to create texture and to bring these beautiful purple flowers to life. A link for this photograph can be found in the description below. Here's my drawing. I'm using cold press paper 10 by 14 inches and a full list of my materials can also be found in the description below. So shall we get started? I'm using my black velvet brush size 6 and I'm just painting the individual petals of this beautiful Love in the Mist flower wet on dry using pink and blue. I've just swapped my size 10 brush there, I felt I wanted to use a bigger brush. So I'm painting these individual petals in, quite a dilute wash, and what a beautiful colour it is. I found it's a really nice colour match to the flowers as well. And I'm just carefully going around these flowers. As you can see, I have actually masked out some of the edges of the flowers and some of the lighter stems, and I've also spattered with my masking fluid. Make sure you dry your masking fluid naturally, not with a hairdryer, before you start painting. I'm going to paint some of the centres now with a thicker, creamier colour using my size 6 brush, damp into dry, or it's actually a little bit wet on the edge there. So I'm just popping that in, nice creamy paint for it to actually spread a little bit into the flower. If you would like to watch longer videos with lots more information, lots more tips and techniques, my talk about colour mixing in detail, and for drawing templates and ad-free tutorials, why not check out my Patreon channel membership? Details about that can be found in the top right hand corner. Just click that link, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. You can really see these little flowers coming to life. I'm actually using my Twig to pull out that creamy paint into the wet or damp paint to create that lovely effect that it has, as you can see in the reference photograph. It's a really nice little technique, that. What I'm doing now is I'm wetting the background. My flowers have dried and I've mixed up some lovely colourful background colours. I'm using a nice large brush and I'm dropping these beautiful autumnal colours almost wet into wet. I've dried my painting and I've taken off all of my masking fluid, and I'm just going to paint all of the light green areas, the stems, the little thin leaves, just sort of glazing on with my size 6 brush and then later with my larger round brush. I'm using really creamy dark green paint. I'm using my size 6 brush and I'm painting very carefully around the outside edges of part of the little flowers. I want to create some darks, so it's the shadowy sort of areas in the background, just to really bring these flowers forward. I'm painting damp into wet. just going to build up some of the details now on the flowers, wet on dry, just to show some of the sort of individual petals and little bits of shadow. I'm using my size 6 brush and I'm mixing up some pink and blue just to build up, and then rinsing my brush there, as you can see, and then softening and blending those edges. Amazing how these flowers start to come to life, and these colours are so beautiful. And I've varied the pink and I've varied the blue and the mixture. I've let the painting dry and I'm removing my framing tape. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you've learned something and it's inspired you to get your watercolours out. If you'd like any more details about the Patreon membership, please drop me a line in the comments section. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll get updates of my latest videos. Thanks again for watching. Happy painting. Bye for now.